HTML Tutorial 4 Preformatted Text Pre-Tag. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the HTML playlist. In this video, we are going to talk about something you've definitely run into. You type your text with perfect spaces and line breaks, but HTML just removes everything. Don't worry. I'll show you how to fix that using a very useful tag, the pre-tag. Why HTML removes formatting? Let's start with a quick example. I've written this paragraph in HTML with lots of spaces and line breaks. This text has extra spaces. And even a line break P. But when I open it in the browser, all the spaces are gone. And the line break doesn't work either. That's because HTML collapses white space. It treats all extra spaces as just one and ignores line breaks. Solution using pre-tag. So how do we fix this? Simple, use the pre-tag. It stands for preformatted text and it tells the browser. Keep all my spaces and line breaks exactly as I typed them. Replace P with this text has extra spaces. And even a line break 3. Now let's see the result. It works. The browser keeps the exact formatting from the code. How the pre-tag works. The pre-tag also uses a monospace font by default like a typewriter, so all characters take up equal space. That makes it great for displaying code, poetry, or ASCII art. Pre. Roses are red. Violets are blue. I love HTML. And so will you. Pre. See how it keeps the structure and line breaks. That's the magic of pre-dot. Showing code in HTML. Now here's a bonus tip. If you want to show code on your web page, the pre-tag is perfect. Pre. Function greet. Console.log, hello, world. Pre. It keeps indentation and makes your code readable. In later tutorials, we'll combine it with code for better formatting. When to use pre? You should use the pre-tag when you want to show exact text layout. You are displaying code. You are making poetry, ASCII art, or anything with custom formatting. But avoid it for normal paragraphs. It's not meant for regular text. Final code recap. Here's the final example we used in this video. Try this in your own HTML file and test it out. Doctype HTML. HTML. Head. Title HTML preformatted text title. Head. Body. H2 without pre-tag H2. This text has extra spaces. And even a line break P. H2 with pre-tag H2. This text has extra spaces. And even a line break 3. H2 code example H2. Pre. Function greet. Console.log, hello, world. Pre. Body. HTML. And that's how you use the pre-tag in HTML. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next HTML tutorial. In the next video, we'll learn about text formatting tags like B, I, U, and more. See you there.